So here's a tip for everyone who travels with pets. We all know how stressful travel day can be for pets. This time we've been home a little longer than we had planned, and let me tell you, the cats are not as happy to get back in the RV as Bella is. So here's your tip. When you go to the RV and you're putting your things away to get ready to go on travel day, take the pets out early. Take your cats or your dog or whatever out in the RV early and let them hang out there before you actually start rambling down the road. That way they're not as scared when you do start rambling down the road. They become very comfortable. If you like our 1-minute tips, take a quick minute and hit the subscribe button. That way you won't miss any of them. Hit the notification bell. Give us a thumbs up if you like the videos. Until next time, God bless and many safe travels.
And go RV, America.